how to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here and then click on Add Apps. Now look for Shopify App Store. Click on it. Then click on search bar and then look for Ali Review. Okay. After searching for Ali Reviews, click on this application here. And then click on Install. Okay, now click on Install again. Okay, after that, just click on Sign Up for Free. Then close this. Click on Manage Reviews. And then it'll show you your products. Now choose the product that you want to import reviews. Okay? Then click on Reviews here. Click on Import Reviews. And then click on Amazon Import. Now, just put the product URL from the Amazon product that you want to get the reviews from. So as for me, I choose this. Copy the URL from the top, then paste it here. If you want the reviews to have images, click here. If you want the reviews to be, if it should have feedback text, then just click here again. As for the number of reviews, if you want 15, then just type in 15, then click on Import. Okay, after that, then just click OK, wait for it. Okay, now what you want to do is go to your online store, then click on Customize. Okay, go to your products. Okay, now what you want to do here is click on related products and click on apps. Now click on Ali Reviews product widget. Okay, now it'll show you the reviews. And that's it. Just click on save and you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.